sir, I came here for surfing.
Just to have fun, really. Thank you.
It was fun out there. I just catch just a good wave. As I said, it's an advantage to me because this is my home break.
Like なんか思ったように波乗れなくてちょっと焦ったんですけど最後点数ちょっと出てくれたんで。I really love this rest Asian surfing tour, and I enjoyed Bali, Japan, but I enjoyed here the most. So I love here.
I was like, no! Hold on. Help me take this off. I think my zipper's stuck.
Next total final. Green, red, Rio Wakita.
There it is. Yeah. Right there. I just wanna hold you. Lover, I adore you. I just wanna.
Yeah, I'm really happy to win this event, and especially in the final I get with Firma, so it was a little bit nervous, but I was just like trying to catch a good one and have fun out there.